How to solve Gemini Live option not showing. This quick tutorial will show you several ways to fix the problem. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Gemini. Here, we are going to check if we have any updates available for the application. As you can see, there's the option to update. Many Gemini Live issues are caused by using an outdated version. Return to your home screen and press and hold the Gemini app icon. Tap on App Info, then look for Storage or Storage and Cache. Next, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may prevent Gemini Live from appearing. If the issue continues, you can also select Clear Data, but keep in mind that you'll need to sign into the app again afterward. Now, reopen the Gemini app and make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. After signing in, wait a few moments for the app to sync and load all available features. If Gemini Live is supported for your account and region, the Live option should now appear inside the app. And that's how to fix the Gemini Live not showing problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Gemini app tips, Android tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.